Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 19th, 2023. Yes, 12 days to go till end of this year, and I've already solved one puzzle, regular puzzle, the binary puzzle, and in this newspaper we have also an additional. I will solve 4 puzzles, 4 out of 7 in the evening. But let me start with a regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku, number 7647. And we have here 2 given numbers. The 2 in this triple box of 14, that means that those 2 boxes together should be 12. Here also a triple box of 19 with a given number 4. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 15. 2 given numbers. Alright. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my average time. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. In additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. Alright, this one. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. So these 2, okay. This one has 1, 2, and this one has 1, 2. Let me start with this one. Alright. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Here, we have a column with 1 sharing box. Here, another one. Okay. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay. 4 plus 14 is 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. So 30 plus 11 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In the box of 7, the combination here will be 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 9 plus 11 is 20. 17 plus 5 is 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In the box of 5, the combination here will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Now this big square has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 2 plus 18 is 20. Plus 10 is 30. Plus 10 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 13. 18 plus 13 is 31. 31 plus 9 is 39. Again, 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 13 is 31. 31 plus 8 is 39. 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. In the box of 13, the combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Okay. Let me go to this big square. Now we have all the numbers except this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 13 is 24. 24 plus 24 plus 14 is 38. 38. That means that 45 minus 38 is a 7. In this triple box of 11, that means that those two boxes together should be a 4. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Now we have a big square with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 4 plus 16 is 20. 9 plus 14 is 23. 23 plus 20 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. In a box of 10, the combination will be 2 plus 8. Now we have a big square with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 7 plus 30 is 20. Double 8 is 16. 16 plus 20 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. In the box of 17, the combination will be 9 plus 6 is... No. 9 plus 8. Almost made a mistake. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. This big square. We have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 19 plus 9 is 28. 28 double 7 is 14. Plus 14 is 42. Yeah, 42. That means 45 minus 42 is a 3. In this triple box of 11, that means that those two boxes together should be an 8. Okay, 8 plus 3 is 11. Completed. Except this column and the last column. We have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright, we have a double 5 here. There's 10. Plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 17 is 38. 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7 here. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3. Let me go to the last column. 13 plus 7 is 20. Okay. 9 plus 11 is 20 again. Double 20 is 40. 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 13, the combination here will be 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Alright. My next strategy is to look for boxes in this killer Sudoku with only one combination. Only one combination. For example, the box of 17. Only one combination, 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Let me see. 6, 8, 8, 7, 15, 9, 8, 15, 8, 7, 13, 10, 5, 12, 13. The box of 4, only one combination, 3 plus 1. 9, 14. Box of 16, only one combination, 9 and the 7. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 14, 11, 12, 4. The box of 4, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 5 and 8. Here we have also 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. One of the missing number in the last column is the number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is the number 9. Should be in the box of 9. Combination 8 and a 1. 8 and a 1. The 1 2 is missing. Yeah, 2 is missing. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12, otherwise I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed. Should be in the box of 14, the 6 combination here, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4. 5 is missing, 5 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. 3 and a 1, we have 3 now in this second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, and now one of the missing number in this big square is number 4. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 14. Same story about the 10 and 1, I believe. 10 and 1? 10 and 4. No. Okay. I cannot use the 4 here, otherwise the combination would be 4 and a 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. Should be in the box of 9. Combination 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. So 1 pair left in this big square. Other numbers, the 1. 2 is missing. 2. No. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. Now. Let me go. My next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations then. Here, we have a box of 5. There are 2 combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, the 3 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 2 and the 3 there. Should be 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Okay. Then one of the missing number in this big square is number 2. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 9, 2 plus 9. The 9 is already used here in the box of 17. So the 2 should be in the box of 9. Combination 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and the 8. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Oh! Not good. Not the 3, should be the 5. 5 and the 6. The 3 is already used there. Okay. Alright. Quick recovery. Okay. So, again. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Yeah, 5 and a 6 are missing. Let me mark those. 5 and a 6. Yeah. So here in this box, in this big square, the box of 15, these 2 boxes together, and a box of 7. One of the missing numbers is a 9. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 7. Should be in the box of 15. Combination 9 and 6. 9 and 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. That means 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and 9. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. Alright. Now. How about? Let me see. 1. 3, 4. Alright. Need a 3 here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left. 3 goes in the box of 8. Combination 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Alright. So now in this row, one of the missing number in this row is the number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 should be in the box of 8. Combination 7 and a 1, 7 and a 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and 5, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those. Okay. 1, 2, and a 4, I believe. 1, 2, and 4. Okay. Let me see. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 4 here because I need another 4 then. These 2 boxes together should be an 8. So I cannot place the 4 there. Should be in a box of 6. Combination 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. So we have 8. The 1, the 9. We have a 9. 9 and 8 here. We have a 9 already in the last row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes in there. 8 and a 1. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Well. 1. 1 box left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. 7 should be here. These 2 boxes together should be an 8, so 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, plus 3 is equal to 11. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Plus 6 is equal to 18. So now 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers are left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So now 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. Faster than 20 minutes. Should be at 2 stars. And I like this one here, so I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.